नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां नरकासुरा दिसा जेन्ना फातोर्डा कंपिटिशन जालें तेन्ना आनी एक गजाल आमकां दिश्टी पडली ती म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या पक्षांचे आनी विरोधी पक्षांचे फुडारी एकठांय आयले. तातूंत विजय सरदेसाय हांणी फुडाकार घेतलो. तांचे बरोबर आशिल्ले लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन युरिया लेमाव, एल्टन डिकोस्टा, केपेचे आमदार आनी काँग्रेसचे आमदार आनी रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्स पक्षाचे मनोज परब जे रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्स पक्षाचे चीफ आसा. तांणी हात एकठांय केले आनी सगळ्यांचो टोन एकूच आशिल्लो की आमकां एकठांय लडपाक जाय. पूण ताजे उपरांत आमी पळयलें की एक शांतता आसा. ताजे उपरांत कोणेच आनी कांयच उलयना ताजे नंतर. सो त्या शांततेचो वॉट डू वी एनालायज आउट ऑफ दॅट सायलन्स हे जाणा जावन घेवपा खातीर आमी मेळपाक आयिल्ले आसा एल्टन डिकोस्टा, केपेचे आमदार. देव बरें करूं.
नमस्कार.
ते दिसा उलयले तेच्या नंतर आमकां दिसलें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सी जातल्यो, एनावन्समेंट जातल्यो, कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी डिसायड जातल्यो. तेन्ना सामकी शांतता आसा.
पयलीं सद्या नमस्कार रुपेश बाब. आनीक म्हाका दिसता शांतता येचना तेजे कोणें चिंतपा जायना. सी दॅट वॉज एन फेस्टिवल मूड आशिल्लो. आनीक बिफोर दिवाली एक आमगे परंपरा आहा नरकासूर हो जे विक्ट्री ऑफ गूड ओवर इवल हे पद्दतीन आमी नरकासूरचे लासतात. सो तेच आयच्या फातोर्डा कॉम्पिटिशन आशिल्लें. बाब विजयान म्हाकाय फोन केल्लो, युरिकूय फोन केल्लो अशें म्हाका युरीन सांगलां. आनीक मनोजाकूय म्हाका इन्विटेशन आशिल्लें. ताका लागून आमी सगळे एक माचयेर दिसले. आनीक दिसली म्हूण म्हाका दिसता मोर दॅन अज एज पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज गोंयकार चड खुशाल जाले. कित्याक नो वन थॉट दॅट मनोज, विजय, युरी ओर मी एज एल्टन वील कम ऑन वन स्टेज. हांव आनी मी कित्याक म्हणटा सी विजय इज अ गूड फ्रेंड ऑफ मायन. नॉट नाव, आय नो विजय फॉर मेनी इयर्स. कळना तुका. युरीक जेन्ना आमदार जालो आलेमांवज म्हणून वळखताले, बट जेन्ना आमदार जालो जेन्ना युरी म्हगे कलीग जालो तेन्ना हांव युरीक वळखपा लागलो. मनोजा म्हणटा हांव तितलो वळखिल्लो ना. आय नो दॅट ही इज आमगेलो रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्साचो चीफ प्रेजिडंट. सो लायक दॅट आय नो. बट बसोन आमी केन्नाय पयलीं मेळो नाय अशें करून. आनी इट वॉज अ इन्विटेशन, अ कॉल. सो वी ऑल केम टुगेदर एंड इट इज नॉट वी द गोवन्स आय थिंक सो फेल्ट व्हेरी गूड वेन दे सॉ ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर. सो हितून व्हडलो भोवाल जावपाची एटली म्हाका दिसता कोणें जायत उलयलें, कोणा दिसलें सगळे आनी कोण कितें उलयलें व्हडलें जावपाक गरज नाशिल्ली. बिकॉज वी केम टुगेदर फॉर अ फेस्टिवल. आनीक तितूंक मागीर तुवें म्हणले भशेन हात उंच काडले. इट वॉज इन्स्टंट सगळ्यांनी दाखोवचें आमगे एकवट आमी आहाय गोंयकारां पासून. दॅट इज वाय वी कॉट होल्ड हँड्स ऑफ एवरी वन एंड वी स्टूड इन फ्रंट ऑफ गोवन्स. दॅट वॉज द थिंग.
दॅट वॉज नॉट एन अलायन्स.
No, I am not saying it is not an alliance or it is an alliance. See, what I have told you when I started, I told you, हे आमी एक कॉम्पिटिशन आशिल्लें आनी कॉम्पिटिशना हे सगळे एक स्टेजीर येयले. आनीक इट इज हाव द पीपल टूक इट. इनफॅक्ट द पीपल इफ यू गो टू सी सोशल मिडिया आज भरपूर इट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरन्स. आनी जेन्ना तूं तरी मिडियाचेर जे न्यूज आनी सगळें चोयलें इट वॉज लायक 98% लायक पीपल फेल्ट that all these parties opposition, I'm saying all the opposition should come together if we want to defeat BJP, and people took it in that way. See, we went for a festival, and when we all came together, people also felt that everyone should come together, including one party which was not there on the stage. They also should come together and fight for a common cause, which is Goa.
By getting together as an alliance.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. No, that is no. As an
wordच काढना तू.
No, alliance म्हणारे we came together for a common cause, which was a festival, but then it turned to be an alliance. And I feel as an MLA, हांव तुका आतांय सांगता, as an MLA, say रुपेश बाब एक आज हांव तो इंटरव्यू दिता, you make it very clear that I am speaking for myself. कळना तुका पार्टीचो. I am speaking for myself. I feel that ब्रँड गोवा वो गोंया समज तरी मुखार वचपा जाय इन अ गूड वे, नॉट फॉर बॅड रिजन्स लायक क्रायम, रेप, रॉबरीज, करप्शन. एक तरी वचपा नाका वीच चलता सद्याक. देन वी शूड ऑल कम टुगेदर टू फायट वन फोर्स वीच इज रुलींग गोवा.
So you support alliance.
I definitely support alliance.
But your party doesn't seems to be,
there is nothing called party. आणि हांव तुका सांगता काँग्रेसा आमदार जालो I am grateful personally to the party who has given me a ticket of Congress and काँग्रेसा टिकेटीचेर हांव जिखलो. But today if you go to see, even if the party says don't come together, I personally feel, I am making very bold statement that we should all come together. Even it is my duty as an MLA, I won't speak for others, I will tell my party, Baba, we have to come together, because 67% of people were not in favor of BJP, only 33%. So 67% voted for other parties. So if all parties come together, definitely we can win. This is the simple logic.
So your opinion is for alliance?
Definitely, yes.
You are going to convince your party that
yes. What is harm in it? Alliance केल म्हणून किती वाईट जावपाक कोणाक कित्या?
Why do you think your party is little reluctant right now?
So party reluctant म्हणून कोण सांगला? कोणें म्हणला party reluctant म्हणून कोणें
Patkar has not supported this statement.
Who and Patkar has never denied also. He has not made a statement against.
But when there is a move and which is welcomed by 98% of the people, it was duty of a GPCC president at least to tweet and support, saying that okay, whatever my guys have done, I am with them.
So in fact, before going for the function, LOP in fact have told me that he had called up the party president and told him that are you there? We are going for this function. Elton and myself are going for this function. And then he was said because it was Diwali, then he was busy in this constituency, Kuchore. So he said, you all go ahead. He is there. Hold on. So it does not mean that silence doesn't mean that he is against the alliance. I don't think so. And I feel that no one should be against the alliance.
Silence also means he is supporting the alliance.
Definitely.
Few of your party office bearers are not in favor. Because I am quoting Divya Kumar, who is a media in charge.
Media in charge.
Social media in charge.
He has tweeted what you have made news. I have seen it. Amdar Ami Hai. We are as MLAs. People have voted us. They have some faith in us. So as office bearers, we respect everyone. But end of the day, it is we as MLAs who have to go to the people, ask their support, whatever is their opinion, and then move forward. Office bearers, definitely yes, we have to tell them. But it does not mean that सगळे office bearers सांगतले आणि आयकतो म्हूण. लोकांक आम पयलीं आयकपाक जाय. People are more supreme. See, as politicians, people are more supreme, so we have to ask the people more. जे आमगे वोटर्स गोंयकारां इंचान आमकां करतले, सगळे ऑफिस बेरांक इंचाले आनी सगळे जालें तें जायना तें. लोकां पयलीं जावप ना. लोक कितें सांगता तें important.
People are supporting alliance.
Definitely. See, you have put it on your channel. You see the trend, how it has gone.
Comments are positive.
That is why 98% comments are positive.
Comments are also saying की आणि उरल्या पुरो म्हणून हे सगळे.
Definitely. तें गरजेचें आहे. See, what unity we have shown, that unity has to be there. Not only till 27. मुखार वचपा जाय. See, I'm BJP भाशेन कित केलें ना, Congressan has not done. You go to many states, I don't want to name the states. They entered those states, regional parties, तेंकां गेले, तेंकां काबार गेले, आनी ते सत्य रावले. Congress has not done this. Congressan तुका आपुणूय जियेला आनी दुसऱ्यांकूय जियोवपाक दिला. Live and let others live also. BJP has not done that. BJP has entered other states, took over those states, and left all the other parties to die. That Congress has not done.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीचा प्रेसिडेंट विजय सरदेसाईची जेन्ना इंटरव्यू केली, ही सेड दॅट काँग्रेस शूड अनाउन्स अलायन्स रायट नाव बिफोर जिल्हा पंचायत and also we should sit down and decide which are the constituencies who will be concentrating.
See, alliance doesn't happen overnight. Hold on, Tuga. We will definitely, with the president, all our three MLAs, LOP, Bab Kalus, Vijay Sardesai, Maitugalo, Arjito Manoj, Viresh. I'm talking about the parties who were present for that function. We should all come, sit together and chalk out a common minimum program. Then whatever has to be done, that we will do.
Your party, again, I'm coming back to the same point. Till your party says, okay, yes, go ahead, you cannot sit.
Yeah, definitely we have to tell our party, see, it is a national party. We will tell the national party, but this is need of the hour. Suppose party in tari sangle konak mun, we have to ask the reason why it is not required. We have to also give a justification why it is required. because it is, see, Congress is a party who has given lot to this country. बाकी मागीर कोणें म्हणून गोंयाकूय दिलां, देशाकूय दिलां, देशा पासत बलिदान केलां, कळ्ळें तुका. सो वी कॅनॉट टेक द पार्टी फॉर ग्रांटेड. डेफिनेटली येस, वी हॅव टू इन्फॉर्म अ पार्टी, वी हॅव टू टेक their consent. Yes, but if they say something, no, you all don't go ahead, we will definitely question them why it is not
Are
required.
you looking at a situation wherein all three parties are coming together for Jilla Panchayat polls?
That is what I'm saying. No, next week most probably we will all come together and sit and discuss.
It's decided they are meeting next week,
Yeah, most probably
informally,
informally.
to decide what to do next.
Yeah, yes.
आस्ता पावस मरे
टायर झाल्या मरे
म्हणजे भाशे हड्डे जाले इथे
टायर चेंज कर मरे योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस सगळे टायर सोल्युशन एका जाग्यार विथ 5 years अनकंडिशनल वॉरंटी.
अरे वा.
योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ऑपोजिट सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल, आलेम हायवे, मारगांव.
Go Forward Pakshakade, you have a nice relationship because of Vijay Sardesai and your personal relationship.
Yes,
Also, Vijay is very comfortable with Congress because he was a congressman.
Yeah.
But what about RGP? Are you comfortable with Revolutionary Goans Party?
So, when we were not comfortable, आम केन्ना आदीचे उरलेले ना. You see, our leader of opposition, Babu Urin, has always brought everyone together. Then assembly session जाता, before the session, he has told everyone to come, take a common meeting. कशें assembly आम means कशें question घातले, कशें rulinगाक आमी घेराव करतले, हें सगळें Babu Urin केलां. It is not that Uri has not taken a stand.
But RGP had not reciprocated.
No, last time there was some whatever issue, but during, they did not come for the meeting which was called. But during the whole session, Akya only session, a long session, Viresh, Zao, Ami, even Aam Aadmi, we and Goa Forward, we all fought together against BJP. See, Makutari Dista, I don't know what is the other party's stand, central leaders, Apache. But what I feel, Bob Wenzi, Bob Cruz, I feel, I'm not saying I feel, I'm using this word, that they also feel that everyone should come together. But what is there in the central party leaders, Toklian Kitante Am Kazun Kona? Because as soon as they landed down in Goa, Paingata Sonam Congress.
But they are not trusting you. They fear ki baba, because I spoke to Atishi in an interview, she said ki Falya, Alliance Leni 14 goes for Congress, 10 goes for Aam Aadmi Party. Enough strength to form the government, 24. Still BJP will form the government. They say that BJP will take from Congress.
So that means she is in touch with BJP.
No, she is.
No, समज तर इतली confidence and उलयता. See, that means she knows what is happening and
She's
BJP.
going by the track record of Congress.
You cannot always blame की जालते आणि जाले कळना तुका.
दोनदा झाले.
हय जालें. So आम सांगताय न्हू आतां. We have a dynamic president who is there. कळना तुका. Control करपा आहा. We have a good MP also. We have a dynamic leader of opposition, Kalus Baba, Amaha. We will see that this thing doesn't happen. Anik as Mukari janam ticket ditle, kona party distribute करले. Definitely we will see what is their. It is say loyalty has to be there. Winnability also has to be there. Kon winnable म्हणून that part ticket and loyalty नाल्या जायना ते. So all this criteria has to be thought before giving the tickets.
Out of it, I think many of them were loyal. By going by your criteria, they were so loyal that no one could even believe that these people like Sankalpa Monkar would leave Congress party and go for BJP.
But when Sankalpa जेन्ना सोडा, संकल्पान म्हणून आपण पयलो RSS आमी नाशिल्लो अशें म्हण म्हणा. फुडा आसा जेन्ना खबर ना म्हाका तुका.
आता now you are going to check whether someone is RSS.
No. He also said. So I don't know how you call him loyal, but that was the statement what Sankalp
he
said.
is born and brought up in Congress.
तू म्हणटा, but Sankalp म्हणा ना रे. Sankalpan तेच म्हणा. You don't remember, I think so.
Alex Sequeira.
That
He
is
was
what.
not RSS guy.
No, but that was shocking in fact. Anik say I'm not coming personal, but जेन्ना आमगेले leader of opposition assembly सांगला, पेंटा भितर लोयत कितें घाताय ती लोयत वस्त, आमी काँग्रेसा फुस्तार केलो आहा म्हण. त्या तरी गेले. सी तोकल्या जाणे गेल्या भितर तोकल्या कितें आहा तें कोणा जायत वाडी. I am as a good person might be or winnabilityचोन म्हाका पार्टीन ticket दिली. I stood by the party and more than the party I stood firm on my oath what we have taken. देवाची म्हूण संवसाराक बाकी कोणाय जायत पण म्हणटा बाकी कोणाक भिनाले आतां लास्टाक देवा तरी भिवपा जाय. सो आमी देवा तरी भिताय थोडे प्रिंसिपल्स आहाय म्हूण आमी आज रावले कळना तुका. आनीक एक when a person votes ही वोट्स फॉर द इंडिविज्युअल एंड फॉर द आयडियोलॉजी ऑफ द पार्टी. कळ्ळें न्हू. सो दीस आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग्स वेट वी हॅव टू कीप ट्रस्ट. लोकांचो वोटरांलो ट्रस्ट दवरपा जाय. सो आय फील दॅट वॉज दॅट आर द थिंग्स वॉट
सो अगेन कमिंग बॅक टू सेम पॉयंट, आतां तांची भिरांत कितें आसा? बिकॉज एवरी वन वील आस्क यू द सेम क्वेश्चन्स. टुडे आम आदमी पार्टी इज आस्किंग, टुमॉरो वोटर्स वील आस्क यू द सेम क्वेश्चन की तूं जेंकां दिता बाबा कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून, आमी जेंकां वोट करता, वोटर्स वील से इफ दे आर वोटर्स ऑफ काँग्रेस, की बाबा तो वचचो ना म्हणून कित्या वयल्यान?
सी कोणाची सद्याक हांव आय विल टेल यू एज अ काँग्रेसमॅन, कळना तुका, आनी एज अ MLA ऑफ काँग्रेस आय फील एंड आय एम 100% शुअर हेजे मुखार काँग्रेसा पार्टीन तरी डिफेक्शन जावपा ना.
जावचें ना म्हणटा
110% जावपा ना. आमगेले आमी हाले 25 दिसांनी येवं ओ 21 दिसांनी येवं, कळ्ळें.
गट फिलींग
100% बिकॉज वी आर आय एम शुअर दॅट वी वील फॉर्म द गव्हर्मेंट इन 27, कळना तुका. सो जेन्ना आमी 21 जातले ओ 25 जातले, डिफेक्शन कित्याक जातलें? जावपाचें ना रे. सो क्वेश्चन ऑफ डिफेक्शन डज नॉट अरायज when we'll have a simple majority. We will cross that 21, so that defection will never arise.
Defection doesn't help when it happen when it is 21, but if it is 20 also defection happens.
No 20 I'm telling you, we will cross this mark of 21. आम्ही 21 mark होतोय 100%.
Okay, so no defection.
There is no defection.
That is your answer.
That is my answer. We
To
will
the people.
cross 21.
You don't suspect की आम्ही कमी जातले म्हणून.
No.
You have faith that we will be 21 plus.
We will be 21 and there won't be defection.
Okay.
That is for sure.
That is also answer for Aam Aadmi Party.
Whoever wants to take it, they can take it. I don't want to name any party, but we will form the government in 2027. That is
Okay,
for sure.
now since we are very close to elections, 1 year, 1.5 year, there was a phase की जेन्ना 8 जाण होता म्हणटा तुजें नांव आयलें. We never asked you officially about this. To survive that entire phase was very difficult for all the Congress leaders. That is what I presume. The kind of pressures that were there, the kind of temptations, offers that were there. So, how did you manage to survive that thing?
See, that is what I have told you. Party had that faith on us, at least on me as Elton. Magellan दोन वस्तूला असतो ते मी. They must have found out my credibility, my loyalty and my winnability. Based on that, party had given me a ticket. कळना तुका. सो हांवें तर तें फोटींग पण केल्ली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता मनीस पण म्हटल्यान ओना आसलें. सो देर वर लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर, वॉट एवर ऑफर्स यू कॅन से, कळना तुका. बट इट इज अप टू द इंडिविज्युअल हाव टू टेक इट, हाव टू सर्वाइव that phase. And in fact, I am happy and I am thankful to God, Almighty God, that I could stand whatever oath I have given and to be loyal to my party. बाकीचे हांव उलोवपाक शकना, बट आय वॉज फर्म एंड आय सेड आय हॅव टू स्टँड बाय दीस माय प्रिंसिपल्स एंड आय स्टूड बाय माय प्रिंसिपल्स.
You are also open for Aam Aadmi Party right now to join the alliance if they are willing.
Definitely, why not? We have never said we are against any party joining this alliance. See, that is what I am saying. No, 33% versus 67%. So, how that 67% comes is when all Aam Aadmi, Congress, Goa Forward, RG, everyone combined was 67%. And what that time it was TMC. So now the TMC is not there anymore. I don't know if they come now again, then people know who is a vote splitter. कळना तुका. सो गोंयकार एक पाट चुकपाक शकता, 2 पाट चुकपाक शकता, तिसरी पाट गोंयकार चुकपा ना. गोंयकार हो भरपूर हुशार, हो वोटर गोंयकार हुशार, गोंयचो लोक लिटरेट आहा. So I feel that Goans won't do this mistake again. They will stand by this alliance, what is going to happen.
Congress has got voters in all the constituencies, but Congress in many constituencies don't have leaders, and that's a question. Do you agree to that? फाल्यां जर तुमी सांगलें की 40 जाणांची नांवां सांग म्हाका 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतली आनी पेन एंड पेपर दिले जाल्यार you would not cross even 12-13.
See, it is not that Congress doesn't have leaders. We have leaders, we have voters in all the constituency. But in the same way, we might not have candidates who will win in all 40 constituencies. So we cannot go overconfident जावपा जायना आमी. See, that is why alliance is required. See, leaders is one and the second part is winnability. So leaders आशिल्ले म्हूण सगळे leaders जाताय, सगळे आतां मात इलेक्शन पळयलें सगळे leader म्हणटाय आपण. सो लिडर सगळे जाताय, बट जिखपा जाय न्हू तें आमदार जावपा जाय. लिडरशीप इज वन एंड विनेबिलिटी इज वन. आनीक जेन्ना तूं जिखता तेन्ना तूं आमदार जाता. लिडर्स आहा म्हूण तूं आमदार जायना. यू हॅव टू हॅव पीपल वीथ यू. दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो म्हाका दिसता लिडर आसेल म्हूण कॅन्डिडेट जावन जिखता अशें ना. सो लिडर्स आर देर बट वी डोंट हॅव 40 कॅन्डिडेट्स. दॅट वी एडमीट. वी डोंट हॅव 40
How many
winnable candidates.
constituencies you think Congress should go for?
See, that is a very tricky situation.
More
If
than
you say-
21 at least?
Definitely. Why 100? More than you can say 25. 25 मायज वचपाक शकता आमी.
आमने 15 यांनी वाटून घेवप जाले मागीर तेंची सगळी जातली.
ना रे कित कोण सी दॅट इज वॉट आय एम सेइंग. सी यू आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन पूण कितली करपाक शकताय काय म्हणून. सी वे देर इज सम प्लेस यू हॅव टू सॅक्रिफायस. थोडे कडेन सॅक्रिफायस म्हणटा इम्पॉर्टंट ना. तूं सगळे कळ आपण जिखतलो आनी आपण कॅन्डिडेट घात म्हळ्यार जावपा ना तें. सो सम प्लेसीस वी हॅव टू सॅक्रिफायस. कळना तुका स्टेट यू हॅव टू सी द बेटरमेंट ऑफ गोवा. गोंयची पयलीं बरें चिंतपा जाय आनी तेन्नाच म्हाका दिसता वी कॅन सीट अक्रॉस आनी सॉर्ट दीस वॉट एवर इश्यूज आर देर ऑफ कॅन्डिडेट्स. सगळे आपण म्हळ्यार जावपा ना.
ओके, कमिंग बॅक टू केपें. केपें नंबर 1 करता म्हटलेलें तुवें 5 वर्सांनी. आतां तुका 1.5 वर्स उरला, जाला नंबर 1?
Definitely, last time also I told you, I have succeeded almost, you can say, 60 to 70%. कळना तुका, which was difficult for me because I am in the opposition. But definitely, I have given my best, I have done my best. आतांच last 1 week, almost about 36 crores tenders have been come, which is a big achievement. कळना तुका. So, and we have struggled for the last 3 years to get this thing done. Like from Kepe Municipal Garden to the end part of my constituency, Salari Bridge. Almost 4 or 5 बागांनी आमी tender got. This itself is almost 23-24 crores. आमगेले मोरपिला म्हणटा almost 7.5 कोट्याचे टेंडर. मागीर केपें टावनाक almost 7-8 crores टेंडर. बाकीचे बीट इंटरनल रोड्स 6-7 crores टेंडर. ऑलमोस्ट 36 crores हे विकाक ऑलमोस्ट टेंडर येयत आहे. So this is one thing which is road has to be developed. This works will happen in the next 6 to 7 months. And बाकीचे जे स्कॉल जावं, हेल्थ सेंटर जावं, भुरग्यांक खेळपाच्यो सुविधा जावं, ह्यो आमी आतां थोडे दिसान दियांग ग्राउंड 2019 स्टार्ट केलो. This next coming 10 days we are going to inaugurate it. Apart from this, lot of other things have been taken place like electricity, roads, water, proper sanitation, education. हे आम करीत आहे. And it's a continuous process. See, I cannot say I have done 100%, but definitely yes, I am satisfied with what I have done, and it is continuously I am working for it. And by end of this tenure, I feel 100% I am trying to give to my constituency.
फाटलो आमदार आसा पळय, whom you defeated, तूं नांव घेना म्हण हांवूय नांव घेवपाक बंद केलें आतां सद्या. ही वॉज सेईंग की आतां जो नाल्ल फोडटा पळय न्ही, तो आपली कामां आशिल्ली ती आपणें सँक्शन करून हाडिल्ली. आतां एल्टन नाल्ल फोडटा म्हणून तशी कामां आशिल्ली ह्या 60-70%.
हें कोण एड्युकेटेड आहा न्हू मनशाकूच तेका कळटा. कळ्ळें न्हू. कोण मनीस जाणा शिंकलो आहा त्या मनशाक कळटा. आनी केपेंकार हे शिंकलो मनीस. कळ्ळें न्हू. सो कोणेंय टॉम डीक हेरीन उलयलें अशें न्हू की आमगेलो लोक केपेंकार आयकतो म्हणून. एवरीथींग कम्स ब्लॅक एंड व्हायट ऑन पेपर. सो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू कमेंट ऑन दीस. आनी तूं नांव घेना तें म्हणून हेजे मुखार तूं नांव घेवन फायदोय ना. तेन्ना हांव नांव येवपाचें ना.
तूं घेना म्हणटा आमी बंद केलें.
सो तूं बंद कर. हेजे मुखार घेय नाका कित्याक नांव हेजे मुखार येवपाचें ना तें.
You feel ki your next tenure also, if you get elected, your next tenure also you'll be continuing the same works now? ही कामां आसा ती सोंपतली 1.5 वर्सां भितर?
No, as I've told you, it's a continuous process. काम चालू सोंपताय ती I will try to finish it. Then then next tenure, if people vote for, म्हणजे see, म्हाका दिसता I cannot be overconfident. Definitely लोक सुप्रीम केपेंकार म्हगेले मतदारसंघ हांव म्हगे केपेंकारांचेर सोडा. लोक जाणा कोण बरो कोण वायट तो. कळ्ळें न्हू तुका. लोकांनी लास्ट 3.5 वर्सां जज केलां आनी लास्ट 20 वर्सांकूय जज केलां कितें जालें तें. कळ्ळें. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट केप्यांक सुसेग आहा, वीच वॉज नॉट डे फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स. आमगेले मोरपिल्ला, बारशें, खोला हे वाठारांनी झगडीं जातालीं. तुमकां सांगलें लास्ट टायम कसलें फेस्टिवल जाल्यार 500 लोक जाल्यार 600 पुलीस आसताले. हें आतां ना. केपें सुसेगा वीच इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. फॅमिली मदें डिस्प्यूट आसतालो, कोण एकल्याक सपोर्ट केला दुसऱ्या बाबड्या त्रासांक घातालो. दॅट इज नॉट देयर नाव. सी पीपल नो वॉट इज गूड एंड वॉट इज बॅड. सो वेन वोटींग जातलें तेन्ना पीपल वील डिसायड हू इज गूड एंड हू इज बॅड एंड पीपल वील वोट. केपेकार ते भाशेन वोट करतले.
एक पेपरार बातमी पळयली पळय, तर सांगलें की केप्यां एक रस्तो येता पेड्यार आसा खंय की ताका लोकांक त्रास जाता म्हणून, इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग.
येस, तें सांवरिको म्हणटा थिंगा आमगेलें बारशें थिंगा सांवरिकोळे. थोडो स्ट्रेच 150 मिटर्स वीच इज गव्हर्मेंट लँड, फॉरेस्ट लँड. हें आमकां NOC मेळना फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन. सो इन दॅट न्यूज ऑल्सो आय अर्ज द गव्हर्मेंट, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर, NOC दीच म्हूण. Even if they don't, it's a long process to do that tender. I will spend my personal funds and get that work done. कित्याक 2 वर्स पयलीं जेन्ना आमदार जालो हांवें गाडी हाडली, हॉट मिक्साची गाडी हाडली, खोडी हाडली, सगळें हाडलें काम करपाक. फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक हाली केलो गाडी पोत्तून आमकां रिटर्न भरपा लायली आनी तें काम बंद उडयलें.
NOC ना म्हणून.
NOC ना म्हूण. कित्याक NOC गव्हर्मेंट दिवपाक ना. बट हे गांवकार जे आमगे लोक आहाय, हांव सदां म्हणटा हे जे आमगे ST भाव आहाय हे खेडेगांवांनी हेमी हे दोंगर झाडां सांबाळो म्हूण आज हे आमकां फॉरेस्ट आहा. आनी समज हांकां तरी आमी त्रास केले जाल्यार वॉट इज द पॉयंट. सरकार कोणा लावपाचो.
सो आतां विश्वजीत राणेक सांगचें पडलें, मिस्टर राणे तांची मातशी NOC घेवन दी म्हणून.
एंड आय अर्ज टू विश्वजीत राणे, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फॉर फॉरेस्ट, जेन्ना तुगे इंटरव्यू डेफिनेटली चोयतलो तो, कळना तुका.
हय हय, नाल्यार धाडटा ताका पळय.
ताका पर्सनली धाड आनी हांव मागतां ते कडेन. कित्याक हे जो एरिया 150 मिटर स्ट्रेच आहा तो आय एम अर्जिंग द ऑनरेबल फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर बाब विश्वजीत राणे, जेन्ना तूं हो इंटरव्यू आयकता आनी चोयता तेन्ना मेक शुअर दॅट यू इंस्ट्रक्ट युअर ऑफिसर्स डेफिनेटली टू गिव दीस NOC विदीन नेक्स्ट 15 days. यू जस्ट गिव इन NOC, आय विल कन्स्ट्रक्ट द रोड.
पर्सनल बोल्सांतल्यान
बोल्सांतल्यान पयशे. दॅट्स मिटर
स्कूलूय एक, इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग, तूं स्कूलूय
हांवें पयलें आतां तेच काजू वाड्यार. इट इज व्हेरी क्लोज टू दॅट मोरपिला काजू वाड्यार. आय हॅव स्पेंड ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 16 lakhs and I have built a school.
गव्हर्मेंट दिनाशिल्लें तुका?
दिना. ऑलमोस्ट कितलीं वर्स जालीं भुरगें.
कित्याक दिना? What was it?
I don't know what they are not interested in developing.
You are meeting CM almost on regular basis, in the sense for functions, for assembly. I'm not saying you go to CM's house, but you meet him. So त्यांना विचारना तूं बाबा एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टर.
ऑफिशियली इन द असेंब्ली आम कितलें आश्वासन मेळटाय. फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर हू इज होल्डिंग द एड्युकेशन पोर्टफोलियो हॅड एश्योर्ड मी दॅट ही विल बिल्ड द हाऊस. दॅट वॉज 2.5 years बॅक. त्याच फाटल्यान आतां 6 म्हयने पयलीं तें काम स्टार्ट करून आतां काम स्कॉल बांदलां. सो कितलें म्हूण रावतो आमी.
सो तूं बोल्सांतले घातले?
घाता एकू कडेन. दीस जस्ट वन इन्सिडंट. आय हॅव डन लॉट ऑफ वर्क्स लायक दॅट फ्रॉम माय, बिकॉज देवान म्हाका कितें तरी दिलां. I am doing a good business. I am, God's grace, I am having something. That is why I am giving back to the people. कित्याक धान दिवप is very important. So कितें आसता सगळ्यां कडेन पयसो आसता, बट थोड्या जाणांक हात आसता तो पोत्तून दिवपाक. पयसो आशिल्लो म्हूण जायना. हात आसपा जाय तुका. देणीन धान करपाक हात आसपा तें देवान आमकां दिलां. सो तेका लागून आमी काम करताय.
सो तुजी अशी कामां उरला wherein you will have to invest right now in Kepe?
Like जायते मांड केलें. The small say I build houses. I don't want to.
Yeah, those are personal
things. I build houses.
But community wise
मांड केलें. तेंगेले आमगेले STचे भाव आहाय तेंगे मांड पेवर्स गेले, शेड्स गायले, कळना तुका. सो पर्सनल जीम कम्युनिटी भुरग्यांक स्पोर्ट्सान जिमा फेसिलिटीज दिल्याय. जायते एड्युकेशन हांव हेल्प करता. दोज हू आर नॉट वेल आय एम डुईंग जावं ते ह्यो वस्तू ह्यो करपा आसता. मुको कितें जालां बिकॉज आय नॉट ओनली बिकॉज आय एम MLA नाव, बिफोर दॅट ऑल्सो, बिफोर बिकमिंग MLA ऑल्सो पीपल यूज टू कम टू मी. हांव सरपंच आशिल्लो पयलो थोडे तें, पंच आशिल्लो 10 वर्सां, डेप्युटी सरपंच आशिल्लो फातोरपा. सो लोक जाणा आमगे कार्य धंदो चलता. सो कितें तरी पयसो आमच्या हातीन येता आनी वी आर ट्रायंग टू हेल्प. कित्याक देवानी आमचे बेळसांव घायलां. तितून तर 100 रुपया दिले. आय फील वेन यू हेल्प समवन विथ 100 rupees, डेफिनेटली गॉड गिव्स यू 100 folds मोर अशें म्हणटाय. सो आय एम नॉट विथ दॅट हेजेर कोण हांव, बट आय फील दॅट देवान दिला, सो आय शूड गिव बॅक टू द पीपल.
जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शन्स लागीं पावला. आर यू कॉन्टेस्टिंग जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शन?
सो इट इज टू द पार्टी टू डिसायड इफ यू आर.
तुजे कॅन्डिडेट घालतलो?
डेफिनेटली आय हॅव टू पुट. आय विल डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट.
party whether contest or not, but you will
Yes,
put.
yes. We will all come sit together. It is not my one man decision. We will call our supporters. सगळे आपयतलो इंचातलो who is the best candidate आणि winnable candidate and the clean candidate. कळना तुका? तो खबर आहा थोडे जाण पंच रावन इतली करप्शन कोताय. सो तूं फाटल्या दिसान थोडे दीस चोयले तुवें. खरोरांनी करप्शन जाता पंच जावन हालीं जिल्ला जावन आनी कोणें करप्शन जावपा येना. So that is why we will have a clean face who will work for the people, betterment of the people, and based on all the supporters we will give a candidate.
Last question, politics in Kepe. What is your prediction for 27? Now don't say I am not bothered who's going to contest. तस नाका. What are your fears for 27?
Overall Goa, you say?
नहीं, Kepe.
Kepe, see, it is Lok Supreme. I will definitely contest. I feel that party will never deny me a ticket. Party will give me a ticket.
Yeah, you're sitting MLA anyways.
MLA is I am a
Loyal sarko.
So party will definitely give me a ticket. And loyalty also people look then चोयता loyalty चोयता कळ्ळें न्हू तुका कितली पयशांचो वेव्हार तो आमी कांय पयशां फाटल्यान गेले नाय सो डेफिनेटली केपकार हे मोगाळ एड्युकेटेड पीपल दे नो वॉट इज रायट एंड वॉट इज रॉंग आनी केपेकार म्हाका दिसता व्हेन आय कॉन्टेस्ट दे विल डेफिनेटली वोट फॉर मी बेस्ड ऑन माय परफॉर्मन्स.
आज इस चाय के स्वाद में कुछ खास बात है.
देखते हैं खाना कैसे बनाती है.
भाभी मेरे लिए सब्जी रोटी.
भाभी मेरे लिए स्पेशल बासमती राइस.
डॉक्टर साहिबा सबकी पसंद का ख्याल कैसे रखोगी? मेरी भी कुछ डिमांड है.
एक डॉक्टर होने के नाते सेहत का ख्याल रखना मेरा फर्ज है और एक बहू होने के नाते परिवार वालों का दिल जीतना भी मेरा फर्ज है.
ये सब पॉसिबल हो पाया है पंचामृता की वजह से.
इंडिया का फर्स्ट फोर्टिफाइड राइस और इनके सारे प्रोडक्ट जो खाने में पौष्टिक तत्व की कमी को भर देते हैं. आई सर्टिफाइड वेयर फूड इज फोर्टिफाइड.
So next slogan will be what now? Kepe number 1 almost झाले म्हणटा तू मागे Kepe
there is time dead or so Mare. We will have something better and then we will see end of the day as Kepenkar MLA of Kepe I have to see first mage Kepenche मतदार संघ have to see welfare of Kepe and definitely at the same time Goenkaranche. So I will sit with my people and we will decide how to go ahead. Based on that we will go ahead.
देव बरे करू आणि वी आर मीटिंग यू अगेन many times actually before the elections and ह्या आशिल्ले केपेचे आमदार एल्टन डिकोस्टा आणि ते म्हणटा की सध्या तरी केपे नंबर 1 जावपा खातीर 70-80% काम जाल्लें आसा. उरलेलें काम तो बाय 27 करता. ही इज अ लॉयल काँग्रेसमॅन. ताजेर आनी कोणेच प्रश्नचिन्ह काडपाची गरज ना बिकॉज ते वादळ जालें त्या वादळांतल्यान जो मस्तो कुशीक रावलो वादळ वचपा दिलें दॅट मिन्स no one needs to certify that that certificate is enough. And alliance, his personal opinion is that alliance should happen because division of votes will help Bharatiya Janata Party and opposition जेन्ना division जाता तेन्ना fair results येवपाक शकना. तुम पळयतात हब एनकाउंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट चॅनल गोवा न्यूज. कीप वॉचिंग.